Hey guys, Brian here from Liquid Concepts. So gonna do just a quick little video today. We've got some mossy oak blades that we're gonna be dipping for a customer of ours, and gonna go ahead and just get this in the water here and then kind of talk a little bit about it. But essentially what we've got is got the mossy oak, actually not blades, I'm sorry, duck blind. And so we don't have any tape around any of it, so what we're going to be doing is we're actually going to be rolling a gun stock. And so it's actually a shotgun stock that we've got, and so this is going to be it right here. We're going to be rolling this. I thought you might like to see that. Actually, let me grab some. Might help if we have some gloves around here. Alright, so anyways, we're going to be rolling the gun stock. I think this is something that that you guys might like. You know, it's just something, we had it here, so I figured I'd shoot a quick little video of it. We're going to go ahead, get this thing activated, and then you can kind of watch how we do this. Of course, our seam is going to be on the bottom, so essentially we're going to come in, down, and then roll it around just like that, and then it'll be ready to go. So we've already got everything base coated the way that it needs to, and we should be already done here. All right, so let's glass this out. All right, so again, you also want to make sure that you got plenty of room. I'm gonna take this out. You got plenty of room for your hands to go down in, and essentially we're gonna come in like this, go down, or in like that, and go down, and then flip it. So I'm gonna start right here. Actually, I'm gonna start right here and go down like this, and I'm gonna go down halfway, and then continue on down all the way into right there, and then just pick it up, and now put it about a 45, and then just go straight in with it, just like that. And so we'll kind of move some of the water around, get the print out before we pull it back out, and here we go. So I think that turned out really good. So you can see we've got our line right down there. Everything looks really good. And of course, all the way around, you've got good color, good everything all the way. I think the customer's really going to enjoy that. And again, not something that was really hard, but I'll just kind of go do this again just so you can kind of see. Essentially, whether it's like this or like that, doesn't matter, but you just want to start here, and then, well, let's pull it back a little bit. Start right here, go down halfway, and now you don't want to go down like that, okay? Because you can see where right in here where my thumb is, you can see right in there, the water is already above it. You want to stop halfway and then go down halfway, so that way you have a line right there where we're at. All right, so we have right there, and then we just pick it up and then roll it, and then once we get to about right here, then we just essentially just push it down, and then that's going to give you a really good dip, and should give you a pattern like this. So hope you guys enjoyed it. If you have any questions, give us a call, or you can always shoot us an email, and we'll see you guys next time.